Hey, I'm Mark Anderson. We're here with another great Forest River product. This is our 315 MB of the Impression. Let's go take a look at it. The great part about the Impression is it doesn't matter which one of the 8 floor plans I talk about, they all have all the same features. Not only do we have the gel coat front cap, so there's no chalking or fading, there's an automotive windshield on there as well, 4-point auto level, and the garage is spacey enough to be able to store lots of stuff in there. Several of our units will have an outdoor kitchen, which includes this wonderful flat stone grill, which I really enjoy to be able to cook on that. If we're to go through, and every one of ours will have the laminated walls, the side walls, as well as front cap and flooring. As you can see on here with our accessibility, we're going to have not only the 12-volt heating pads, but we're also going to have a dedicated duct of air that at any time that big old 35,000 BTU heater is going, there's a dedicated duct that's going to blow that same hot air underneath. On the inside, their slam latch door, you'll notice that every one of our units will come standard with solar. This way you can run anything 12-volt, your lights, your refrigerator, all those things. If you want to boondock to camp a little bit, that's already set up to go up to 500 watts of power. All of our Impressions are going to come with a PVC lifetime warranted roof. Kind of hard to beat that. They're all going to have laminated slide outs as well. We're going to have our Goodyear tires, good old American made, with our 125 1-year no excuse guarantee, 2-year roadside assistance, and 5-year total lifetime of the tire. We're also going to have the heavy duty rack and pinion gear driven system. With the patented step above stairs here, you'll notice it's got a nice big walkway to come up to with a wider top step, but you'll also notice that we have a much wider entry system than most of the other coaches, with a large handle to be able to grasp as you move up onto the coach. I'm so excited you're able to step up onto the 315 mid-bunk with our new 2023 models. Lots of great changes in store for you. You'll see we have a little bit darker wood paneling going throughout. We still have our great 12-volt refrigerators, which I just love to be able to. They're so deep, so when you don't have the gas electric, there's all that room without the coils in there. We have our new lighting here as well. Every one of ours will have the microwave and the stove. We've got lots of countertop back here, but what you're really gonna love is this floor to ceiling pantry, and it comes with these storage bins in there as well. And it's one of those that we've also got a brand new door look on this as well for the 2023 season. So very excited to have all this stuff. These models also have a new look for our couches. And of course our panoramic window views are all up in here. They're all gonna come with your 4 chairs and a table. And what I really love about all this is all this extra storage as you look up in here. Just huge cabinetry everywhere to be able to put things for you. With this 315 mid-bunk, obviously you have a whole nother room in here, so it might sound like an echo because it's so huge back in here. But once again, we've got a bunk up here that'll flip down. You've got a couch that comes out into a bed as well, a TV backer. And what I like about this whole entire room, if this is the kids' play area, you just close that door and you don't see the mess as the parents. Before we come up to the front of the coach here where the bedroom is, I did want you to take a look at our new door designs. I think you're gonna really like the way this sets the whole camper off with this whole inlet set right in here. In the Impression bathrooms, as you'll see, we have porcelain quick flush toilets, so obviously easier to clean and much more sanitary. A very large, spacious shower. And as you go over, you'll see that we have a sink with plenty of room to store your items there as well. This 315 mid-bunk, as all of our other Impression units, are going to have this gorgeous front window that you can always look out of. I've talked about it from the outside. Now you can kind of see, you can see out, but it's really tough to see in because it is a tinted window. Every one of our models are going to have this huge 60 by 80 true queen size bed. They're going to have the ginormous nightstands. It's going to have the plug-ins for both your 110 as well as 2 12-volt outlets. Every one of ours inside this master bedroom closet is going to have a stackable washer dryer prep. And a lot of our units will have this wardrobe slide so that if you do decide to use that stackable washer dryer, you have plenty of room to store your items. Okay, so thanks again for joining me on this journey today, getting to know our Impression 315 mid-bunk a little bit better. Remember to visit forestriverinc.com/impression to find out more about all of our products. We'll see you all next time. Thanks.